All right, folks, a quick review today on a product that unexpectedly I got to try out yesterday, and a pretty cool little product from Jaco. And anyone that rides a bike with Presta valves should have this kit handy. And you know, for a long time I never had any problems with Presta valves, anything like that. And I went ahead and ordered this kit just to have it because it's so compact, and you could just throw this little thing right into your bike bag, you know, just to have as spares. I thought, when is a Presta valve gonna fail or anything like that? And so yesterday I was messing around with my bike, and it turned out the Presta valve was barely screwed in at all, and I went and kind of pressed it and kind of just touched it with my fingers, and it kind of shot off and all the air went out of the tire. So fortunately I had ordered this tool, which is, I didn't have anything you know, to deal with Presta valves at all. So Jaco includes this little tool right here which goes over the Presta valve. You can use it to tighten the Presta valve into the little stem there. It also comes with spare Presta valves as well, so you can install a new one. And if you happen to mess it up somehow, there's plenty of spares there. And the other cool thing is they also include these caps that you can put over the Presta valves as well, just to protect them. So very cool, nice little quality tool too. Just feels like it's machined really well, and you know, it just has a good feel to it, and it worked as advertised yesterday. So super happy with that. So anyways, folks, check out this little Presta valve kit from Jaco. Jaco, I've used a lot of Jaco's stuff for a while, and it seems to work pretty good. So I've included this in my bike little spares kit in my little bike bag when I'm riding my mountain bike, and we'll continue to have it in there always. So folks, definitely check this out and give this a go. I thought the quality on it was pretty good, and works pretty good.